guys, so the next thing I'm going to show you how to make is a bugle or a horn. Lovely. So again, dead easy. All you need is some toilet rolls, a popper, and just some tape and stickers, anything you want, paint to decorate. Okay, so the only bit that's a wee bit fiddly is at the start. So when you get your blower, I don't know what you call this, all you're needing is the plastic bit off it, so you just want to cut that off and just kind of pick off, because you just need that. And then what you want to do is wrap your toilet roll tube effectively around the top of it so it's nice and tight. Okay, so what to do is just pop in your toilet roll tube at the end, and then just sort of fold it round and keep folding it. This is all going to get covered with tape, so you don't need to worry too much what it looks like here. And then once you've kind of got it like that, I would just get any sort of tape and just, oops, wrap it round, just so it's nice and tight. Okay. And then just to get your shape of your horn, you're really just wanting to fit your other toilet roll tubes in. So this one will be a wee bit narrower, so you just, again, it doesn't really need to be particularly pretty. Just slot that one on, again give it a wee fold, and then put your last one in. Just squash it in. There's your basic shape of it, and then all you want to do is get some masking tape or any tape and just wrap it right around so it all tightens it up round nice and tight, like so. And then that's it. You can paint it, put stickers on it, anything you want. You can make it. You could add in as many toilet rolls as you want, make it as big as you want. That's it. Dead easy.